Hello everyone and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. Want to transfer photos, videos, or other files between your iPhone 17 and Samsung Galaxy S26? While AirDrop works great between Apple devices, it doesn't work directly with Samsung phones. Fortunately, Samsung's Quick Share now makes it easy to send files between Galaxy devices and iPhones with just a few quick settings. In this video, I'll show you how to set everything up and transfer files both ways so you won't need a cable or a third-party file sharing app. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, there are a few things you need to set up on both devices. First, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. These wireless connections help the two devices discover each other and establish the fastest available transfer method. On your iPhone 17, open Settings, tap Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on. Go back, tap Bluetooth and make sure that's enabled as well. Next, switch to your Galaxy S26. Open Settings, then tap Connections. Make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. Now let's configure Quick Share on your Galaxy S26. Open Settings, then tap Connected Devices. Next, tap Quick Share. Under the Nearby Sharing section, make sure the option to share with Apple devices is enabled. Just turn on the switch next to it. Once everything is configured, your Galaxy S26 is ready to receive files. One more thing, verify and ensure that both devices are paired or connected via Bluetooth. On your iPhone 17, go to the Bluetooth settings and make sure your Galaxy S26 under My Devices says Connected. On your Galaxy S26, go to Connections, then tap Bluetooth. Make sure your iPhone 17 appears under the Paired Devices section, otherwise you'll need to connect your devices manually using Bluetooth code. Once paired, proceed to the next step. Now let's send photos from the iPhone 17. Open the Photos app, find the pictures you'd like to share, tap Select, then choose one or more photos. Next, tap the Share button, then select AirDrop from the file sharing methods. If your Galaxy S26 appears as an available nearby device through the supported sharing option, tap it. If it doesn't appear right away, wake up your Galaxy S26 and make sure Quick Share is active and ready to receive. On your Galaxy S26's Quick Share window, you'll receive a notification asking whether you'd like to accept the incoming files. Tap Accept. The transfer will begin automatically. Depending on the number of files and their size, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the transfer finishes, you can immediately open the received photos from your gallery. Now let's send files from the Galaxy S26 back to the iPhone 17. You can do it straight from the Quick Share window or through the Gallery app or the app containing the file you want to share. Select the files you want to save and then tap Done. Under the Share to Contacts Nearby section, select your iPhone 17. On your iPhone 17, you'll see an AirDrop notification. Simply tap Accept. Once accepted on the iPhone, the file will finish downloading automatically. If your devices don't appear or direct sharing isn't available, don't worry. Quick Share can also generate a secure sharing link. Simply choose the option to create a sharing link, then send that link to your iPhone using Messages, Mail, or any messaging app. Open the link on your iPhone to download the files. This method works reliably even when direct nearby sharing isn't supported. Here are a few quick tips if the transfer isn't working. Make sure both devices are unlocked. Keep them close together. Verify that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth remain enabled on both phones. Also, check that Quick Share is still set to allow nearby sharing while you're transferring files. Once everything is configured correctly, moving photos, videos, and other files between your iPhone 17 and Samsung Galaxy S26 only takes a few moments. And that covers everything in this guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Pinoy Tech Tips for more smartphone tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.